Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. We are Team Tech Pulse and we are excited to present our project ShopSmart.ai, your intelligent voice-activated shopping advisor. In an era of overwhelming online options, our AI assistant brings clarity and convenience to your digital shopping journey. Online shopping today is chaotic. Shoppers struggle with irrelevant search results, scattered data, unreliable reviews, and a flood of confusing choices. Statistics show that 69% of user abandon sites due to poor search relevance, 75% leaves because of review overload, and 70% get stuck in decision paralysis. It is clear online shopping needs intelligent help. Now, let's talk about the business impact of this chaotic shopping experience. First, user experience, decision fatigue, and mistrust. This leads to drop-offs, where users leave without ever making a decision. Poor search results frustrate users. They end up wasting time searching through the irrelevant options. Eventually, many abandon their carts altogether, and finally they lose interest in the platform entirely. That is where ShopSmart.ai comes in. It combines voice-based input, AI-powered search, and agent collaboration to deliver hands-free shopping with voice commands, smart LLM-based understanding your intent, personalized recommendations, and structured results that are clean, summarized, and actionable. Let's dive into the backend structure of our solution. Here is what powers ShopSmart.ai under the hood. LLM agents built with Crew AI working together to fetch, summarize, analyze, and recommend. Search results from Serper API, voice input using Whisper API, embedding models from AI ML API help in review, analysis, and personalization, all wrapped up inside a friendly, streamlined interface for easy interaction. I have used AI ML API. One API key gives access to wide range of embedding and LLM models used for review, analysis, and personalization. ShopSmart.ai is built on Clue AI's multi-agent framework. Input collector collects the input from the user, whether it is text or voice. Then search agent searches the internet. Product analysis finds the best product. Review agent summarizes the feedback using RAG, and finally the recommendation agent makes smart suggestions. Together they create a seamless and helpful shopping experience. E-commerce industry has already crossed $6.3 trillion globally, and it is growing still. Meanwhile, voice assistant technologies are on track to exceed $11 billion in market size this year. ShopSmart.ai is positioned right at this intersection, combining smart shopping with a voice tech to simplify the decision, boost engagement, and unlock the massive potential for both business and users. Alright, now let's see ShopSmart.ai in action. I will give a simple voice command and then our agents get to work. Help me to find a gaming laptop under $1,000. Now they will search across the multiple websites, analyze dozens of products, and summarize hundreds of reviews all in just few seconds. Instead of you manually browsing and reading everything, ShopSmart.ai gives you a clear, personalized recommendation that fits your need and budget. Here are the results. Let's go through the key benefits. Users love it because it's fast, accurate, and feels like talking to a smart friend. It reduces abandoned carts and decision fatigue. It gives clear, confidence-boosting recommendation. Business loves it because it increases the engagement and product discoverability. Our ShopSmart.ai will be available in multiple formats. API SaaS for integration in e-commerce, store, white label solution for voice shopping assistant. Affiliate monetization through the recommendations. We plan to launch a budget-friendly MVP and build partnerships with online retailers. Unlike general LLMs or basic search engines, ShopSmart.ai is purpose-built for real-time shopping, uses multi-agent collaboration, supports voice-first interaction. This gives us a unique edge in usability and intelligence. We are just getting started. Our future plans include multi-language support, image-based shopping, expand data sources, price tracking and alerts, user profile memory for personalized recommendations, better voice interactions, integration of mobile apps or WhatsApp bot. We are not just building a product, but the next generation shopping experience. I am Shima Masood, leading the project with a background in AI and data science. Behind this project is a passionate team of engineers, builders, and innovators. Our mission is to make shopping smarter, simpler, and more human, powered by AI and driven by purpose. This is not just a project for me, it's a vision I truly believe in. Inshallah, I will keep building, keep learning, and one day make this idea reach millions. Let's connect, collaborate, and shape the future together.